Today, we're heading to one of the most popular home stores in the UK, IKEA. Located in the West Midlands, this store is more than just furniture. It's a full experience. From smart storage ideas to Scandinavian design, IKEA has something for everyone. Join me as we explore the store, discover inspiration, and of course, enjoy some Swedish food along the way. Our journey begins at Dudley Port train station, a place that quietly connects everyday life in the Black Country. As we move away from the station, rows of houses line both sides of the road, a glimpse into the daily rhythm of local communities where residential streets meet busy commuter routes. Soon, a familiar landmark comes into view. Asda appears on the right-hand side, a sign that we're leaving the neighborhood streets behind and entering a more commercial zone. It's a point many locals recognize instantly, marking the transition between home life and the busier road ahead. At the roundabout, we take a left turn towards Wednesbury. The road opens up and the landscape shifts once again. Traffic flows steadily as the journey becomes more direct and purposeful. The industrial estates stretch out on both sides of the road, warehouses, factories, and business outlets that reflect the working backbone of this region. This area carries the legacy of industry while supporting modern businesses that keep the local economy moving. It's a practical stretch of road, built for transport, trade, and daily movement. As we continue forward, we bypass Wednesbury bus station, a busy hub where buses connect towns and communities. Without stopping, we move past it smoothly, staying focused on our destination. Approaching another roundabout, the journey nears its final stage. We turn left once more, and the surroundings immediately feel more open and spacious, a sign that large retail destinations are close. On the way, the large B&Q store comes into view. Bold, unmistakable, and hard to miss. This is one of the final landmarks before our destination, confirming that we're just moments away. The journey itself tells a story, from homes and local roads to industry and retail, all leading to one of the UK's most visited stores. And finally, we arrive at IKEA Wednesbury. The iconic blue and yellow building stands ahead, welcoming visitors from across the region. What started as a simple road trip through residential streets and industrial zones now brings us to a place known for design, ideas, and inspiration. As soon as you enter IKEA, you're welcomed by a clean, organized layout designed to guide you through different living spaces. The famous one-way showroom path ensures you don't miss anything, whether you're here for inspiration or just browsing. This section focuses on living rooms, the heart of every home. IKEA shows how even small UK homes can look spacious with the right furniture. Sofas, coffee tables, TV units, and clever lighting ideas are all displayed in real-life setups. Each room tells a story, from minimalist apartments to family-friendly spaces. Notice how colors, textures, and lighting work together. Kitchens are one of IKEA's strongest areas. These displays show how different layouts work, from compact flats to large family kitchens. Storage, appliances, and dining spaces are all thoughtfully planned. You can see how small design choices make a big difference in everyday life. Moving into the bedroom section, comfort and simplicity take center stage. IKEA is known for its smart wardrobes, cozy bedding, and space-saving solutions, perfect for modern living. From children's rooms to master bedrooms, the designs focus on relaxation and practicality. With more people working from home, IKEA's workspace section offers practical and affordable solutions. Simple desks, ergonomic chairs, and smart shelving help create productive environments, even in limited space. The children's section is colorful, creative, and full of imagination. IKEA designs furniture that grows with children, combining safety with fun. Storage solutions here help keep toys organized, something every parent appreciates. Market Hall, one of the most exciting parts of IKEA. This area is packed with home accessories, electrical items, cushions, plants, kitchen tools, bathroom items, and decorative pieces. These small items are often what give a home its personality. As the journey comes to an end, it's time for checkout. Whether you came with a plan or picked things up along the way, IKEA has a way of surprising everyone. A visit to IKEA is more than shopping. It's about ideas, inspiration, and imagining better living at home. From furniture to food, every section offers something unique. As our shopping experience at IKEA comes to an end, we begin the return journey. But this time, we've chosen a different route. Instead of retracing our steps through the busy urban roads, we take a quieter countryside path, offering a contrasting view of the UK's diverse landscapes. Almost immediately, the surroundings begin to change. The wide retail roads give way to calmer stretches, where open spaces, greenery, and distant horizons replace warehouses and traffic lights. This route reflects another side of the UK, peaceful, spacious, and closely connected to nature. Driving through the countryside, you notice how the landscape gently unfolds. Fields, hedgerows, and scattered farm buildings shaping the view. These scenes remind us that beyond the towns and industrial centers, the UK countryside continues to play a vital role in everyday life. It's a refreshing contrast, offering a moment of calm after a busy shopping experience. As we enjoy this peaceful drive, it's the perfect time to reflect on our visit to IKEA. From inspiring room displays and practical storage ideas to affordable home accessories and Swedish food, the trip offered both creativity and comfort. Each section of the store provided ideas that can easily be adapted to real homes, making everyday living more organized and enjoyable. This return route brings together two different experiences, the modern retail world of IKEA and the timeless beauty of the countryside. Together, they highlight the balance that defines much of life in the UK. Innovation alongside tradition, convenience alongside calm. As the road continues ahead, We hope this short countryside drive has added a new perspective to our journey, allowing you to enjoy the scenery while revisiting the highlights of our IKEA trip. Thank you for joining us for this IKEA journey. Stay tuned for more journeys, more places, and more stories along the road. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and keep creating spaces you love.